Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about Yagmur Yuksel and her favorite hobbies. She recently opened up about what she loves to do in her free time, giving fans a glimpse into her personal life. Yagmur is known for her vibrant personality, and her hobbies reflect her creative and adventurous spirit. In a recent interview, she revealed that she loves painting, hiking, and playing the piano. She mentioned that painting helps her relax and express her emotions. She often shares her artwork on social media, inspiring fans to explore their creative sides. Hiking is another passion of hers. Yagmur enjoys being close to nature and often goes on weekend hikes to recharge her energy. She also shared how playing the piano brings her peace and joy, and she even treated fans to short musical performance during a live session. Fans have been showering her with love and support, with many taking up similar hobbies after hearing her story. Jagmur's openness has created a stronger bond between her and her admirers. Is not it amazing to see Yagmur's creative and adventurous side? We hope you feel inspired by her hobbies. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.